Hello and welcome to another video of Vice Versa. Are you ready to unlock the secrets behind crafting stunning AI images that captivate and amaze? In this video, we are delving into the world of expert prompts to help you create breathtaking artworks that push the boundaries of what AI can achieve. Get ready to discover the secrets to creating stunning AI images with expert prompts. If you have ever wondered how to take your AI generated images to the next level, you are in for the treat. Today, we are diving into the art of using expert prompts that will transform your AI creations into jaw dropping masterpieces. Let's kick things off with a technique that's sure to elevate your creations: style fusion. By mixing and matching different artistic styles, you can create truly unique and captivating images. Imagine the fusion of classic Renaissance art with futuristic cyberpunk elements. The possibilities are endless. The fusion of Da Vinci's naturalism and Michelangelo's elegance with the vibrancy of anime, or the meeting of Rococo with steampunk. Trust me, once you master this trick, you will be amazed by the stunning results. Now, here's a little secret: detail matters. Adding intricate details can make your AI generated images look more realistic and compelling. When it comes to enhancing detail, the right prompts can make all the difference. Don't settle for ordinary detail. Go for the extraordinary by requesting extremely detailed, super detailed, or intricately detailed images. These adjectives can bring an astonishing level of intricacy to your creations. But that's just the beginning. Lighting is another powerful tool in your AI toolkit. Incorporating lighting prompts can instantly transform the mood and atmosphere of your images. Whether it's a dramatic cinematic lighting or ethereal studio lighting, the right lighting can turn an ordinary image into an extraordinary masterpiece. Take a look at this beautiful image of a light set in Midjourney. But what if we introduce some enchanting lighting prompts to enhance it further? Employ terms like dramatic, volumetric, cinematic, or studio lighting to add that extra layer of allure. One of my secret prompt tricks involves the chiaroscuro lighting effect. It's an Italian term which translates as light dark and refers to the balance and pattern of light and shade in a painting or drawing. This technique casts deep, captivating shadows. Explore lighting styles like neon, bioluminescent, and holographic effects to infuse your images with a captivating wow factor. But why stop at lighting? Let's talk about texture. Texture matters. Incorporate terms like rough, smooth, translucent, or feathery to completely transform the visual feel of your artwork. Whether it's the roughness of a mountain surface or the delicate translucency of a flower petal, incorporating texture prompts can add a whole new dimension to your creations. The AI's ability to understand and recreate textures will leave you in awe. Now, for those of you who love a touch of the unexpected, here's a trick that might surprise you: nonsense prompts. That's right. Using random words, misspelled phrases, or even playful combinations can lead to AI generated images that are delightfully unique and out of the box. And speaking of unexpected, have you ever thought about using emojis to guide your AI creations? It's a playful and creative way to prompt the AI and see what imaginative images it comes up with: an apple on a mountain or a dragon dancing. The AI's interpretation is always a delightful surprise. These expert prompt techniques are all about pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. By blending conflicting elements like merging opposing styles or different textures, you can create AI generated images that are truly one of a kind. Now, it's time for you to unleash your creativity. Experiment with these expert prompt techniques and see where your imagination takes you. Share your favorite techniques and the incredible images you create in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring content. Thanks for joining us today on this journey into the world of expert prompts for creating stunning AI images. Remember, with the right prompts, your imagination is the only limit. Until next time, keep creating and keep pushing the boundaries.